This comes to a surprise now. We have a new award established by someone that is here. So, for leadership in developing new basic principle, now in basic principle in the framework of sustainable development in the environment, economic and social point of view. This is a brand new award. I don't know if Roberts can gather the idea or no. You are not an award winner, by the way. You are not. You are not. It's a word after your name. So who is the winner? Who is the winner? Toshikazu Yoshikawa. Professor Robert on stage.
Yeah, thank you very much, and it's a great honor to get the good prize, and so yes, and so I will say the great thanks to Professor Inubusa. He organized a conference named on Yoshikawa International Symposium, and the oxygen storage is very important, and he produced the good antioxidant 20X. And so it's very great work for us, for Japanese people. And we have the good equipment or good drugs to prevent the aging or diseases. So
this is the guy. We have an appointment. We are in Osaka on 25th of August 2022 at 11 a.m. And then we have an appointment because he deals with the extending of life of human being. We have an appointment with him on 25th of August 2122. It is in my calendar in my iPhone. If you don't believe it, you have it there. So we have an appointment 100 years from now.
okay, thank you.
That's true?
It's true.
So, the award.
Thank you.
I'm not going to say anything.
Okay.
Yeah. So, this is the new award, and bears your name of Robert International Medicine Award, and you can give it to him. It's for you to give it to him. Give it. So I have to hurry a little bit because we have a show waiting. There is no picture. Oh, there is picture because it's a symposium. I forgot. There is a symposium out for him. So this is how you extend life. So you go from here to here, or from here to here.